Now, many people have a doubt in this question, or else the people who already got the answer, you can just try to cross check your answer. You can just try to cross check your answer. Okay, chaliye. Okay, so I am removing this question and this heading. In this heading, it has been told 5 people are facing the center, other people are outside. Okay, now on the screen, what did it say here? 3 persons are between F and H who are facing center. Okay, who are facing center means both of them are facing center. And how many people are there between them? How many people are there between them, guys? 3 people. Suppose H is here, 1, 2, 3. 3 people are there between this thing. So F should be here. Are you understanding, everybody? Is it clear? Who are facing center? Who are facing center? F and H both are facing center. Like this also you see 3 people are there between them. Means directly or indirectly is saying that these 2 people are opposite to each other. So till here, no problem you all people have. Next one. What's the next point, guys? C is second to the right side of F. I know that F is facing inside. For the people who are facing inside, his left will be clockwise. Okay. So C is second to the right side of F. But you want right side, 1, 2. Who is that? C here. C cannot be here, guys. Don't do this mistake. C should be here itself. And facing the opposite direction of F. Who is facing the opposite direction of F? C. C is facing the opposite direction of F. Till here. Okay. Good to know that. And what did you say in the next point? Have a look, everybody, on the screen. A is third to the left side of C. I know the location of C. A is third left. As A is facing outside, what do? A is third to the left. Following? So left means what? Clockwise? No, it's anti-clockwise. What? 1, 2, 3. Following? 3 places left. Some people might be doing a mistake. They'll put it here. 1, 2, 3. Left means they'll go here, but that's wrong, guys. So left will be here itself. Following? That's good. We don't know whether A is facing inside or A is facing outside. As of now, I'll leave it. Let's try to go for the next point. Only 2 persons sits between B and G. Now this is an interesting point. Who are the neighbors of? Who is the neighbor of England? G is a neighbor of England. Means G and E are staying together. First of all, G and E are neighbors. Okay. Now here, Bangalore is not the neighbor of Hyderabad. So we already know here we have Hyderabad and Bangalore is not the neighbor. Cool. Now let's try to see where this Bangalore will sit. One thing is that Bangalore and Gujarat have 2 people between them. Bangalore and Gujarat have 2 people between them. So have a look, everybody, on the screen right now. Here is Bangalore, not possible. Here Bangalore, not possible. Bangalore, not possible. Bangalore, not possible. Bangalore. So only these places are there for Bangalore. Here also you can do one thing. Here you can try here. If you put Bangalore here, what did you say here? 2 people are there between B and G. Now, suppose you think Bangalore is here. So 1, 2. Leave these 2 people. Do you have G here? No. So 2 people are there between B and G. It's not possible here. Anyways, let's try to think once again. If you put B here, 1, 2. 2 people are there between B and G. Is this possible? No. So I came to know that Bangalore is not possible here also. So Bangalore's place we are deciding. So Bangalore can be either here or Bangalore can be either here. That is what we are supposed to do the question. Are you understanding, everybody? Sure. Now let's try to have a look at it. Suppose Bangalore is over here. Let me think Bangalore is over here. So 2 people are there between B and G. So we have got G 2 places on the screen now. 1, 2. Here should be G. 1, 2. Here should be G. But what did he say here? G and E are neighbors. He told you G, who is a neighbor of England. Guys, for example, G is here. You don't have a neighbors called England. There is no England here. There is no England here. Sorry, G cannot be here. Suppose G is here. There is no England. So I came to know that B cannot sit here also. I came to know that B cannot sit here also. So the places of B, let's try to say here, B is not the neighbor of H. So B is not here. B is not here. B is not here. The only place for B is this place, guys. B is over here. Perfectly B is matching here. Following, everyone? Now this is the place for B. Now 2 people are there. That's gone. So this is the place for G. That's it. Following, everybody? Now, what did it say in the point over here? G and A are facing the same direction but opposite to Hyderabad. Who? G and A are facing the same direction but they are opposite to Hyderabad. Hyderabad is facing inside. So they are facing outside. This is what he means to say. Following. And what did he say here? G and E are neighbors. So this is E, which is supposed to be written like this. So this is also satisfied. This is also satisfied. The only one person who is not still there is what? D, I guess. Yes, D. And what did he say here? 5 of them are facing the center. So let's try to say who are those 5 of them. I guess this is Hyderabad is facing center. F is also facing the center, and 3 of them are facing outside. Who are the facing outside, guys? C is outside, G is outside, A is outside. So rest of the people should be facing inside. Who? E, then B, then D. This is the way we are supposed to solve the question. 5 people are facing inside. So altogether, we have solved this puzzle. Now, what did you say in the question? Who is sitting second to the right side of Agra? The question which was given to you as a homework was this question. Who is second right side of Agra? Agra is facing inside, Agra is facing outside, guys. Right means not on the anti-clockwise, right will be. So best answer is D, guys. The best answer is D, it's not E. And one more question he asks you, what is the position of E with respect to B? What is the position of E with respect to B? Like this. Clockwise. Second left. Answer is what? Chennai. So try to understand. More and more questions will be there of these kinds. Please try to do these kind of questions which will make your logical thinking more strong, guys. And also you have a high chance of getting placed in the companies. Thank you.